The fishes in this stream are believed to have healing power. It is forbidden for anyone to kill them. According to the belief of the people, if you have an incurable wound in your body and enters the stream and the fish licks your wound, you will receive healing. This is Omoo Stream, located in Eziama, Afamon in a local government area of Enugu State, Nigeria. Sometime last year, I shared a picture of this stream which went viral, and a lot of people wanted to know the story behind the stream. Today, I have decided to share a video to tell the story of this sacred Omoo Spring. So we are heading to Omoo Spring. Omoo is a sacred spring that's located in Omako in Enugu State. So this is the entrance to the forest. There are rules and regulations guiding this forest and the spring. Anybody who is visiting here. Before we dive into the story of Omoo Stream, let's first look at the rules and regulations guiding the environment, the forest, and the stream itself. First of all, it is forbidden for anyone to kill or take the fish out of the stream. It is also forbidden for anyone to take snail within the forest environment. Women in their menstrual period are not allowed to enter the stream. It is forbidden for anyone to urinate or pass feces in or within the forest. And lastly, it is also forbidden for anyone to take firewood within the environment. Who made the rules and regulations guiding the Omo environment and why was it made? According to oral history, in the olden days, people come to Omo to play, fetch water, wash their clothes, explore the cave, or relax due to how beautiful the environment is. But unknown to the villagers, there was a python that dwells within the Omo environment. Right. One fateful day, a woman came to the stream to fetch water with her baby. Before she went into the stream to fetch her water, she kept her baby on what she believed to be the root of one of the trees around the stream. After fetching her water, she came out but discovered her baby was nowhere to be found. Neither was the root of the tree she kept the baby. After searching for her baby without any luck, the woman went to the village and reported to the elders of the community, who went to a soothsayer to find out what happened to the baby and the mysterious disappearance of the said tree that the baby was kept on top of. It was later revealed that the root the woman believed to have kept the baby was in fact a python, and the python swallowed the baby.
And this is where most of the water coming out from under the rock.
To prevent something like this from happening again, some sacrifices were done and the rules guiding the environment was handed to the community. As long as these rules are kept, the python will not harm any member of the community, and the fishes in the stream will be a source of healing to anyone who has an incurable sickness or wound. For centuries, this belief has been passed down from generation to generation, and this rule has still been kept till date. The python is believed to still live inside the cave but comes out once in a while.